Hey everyone, here's a quick walk around video of my 2018 GTI SE. It is a 6-speed manual. It has the leather seats. Because I was missing the plaid interior, I went ahead and got some plaid and changed out the shift boot and the parking brake boot. This is a billet works shifter with an Alcantara grip so it doesn't burn. The car comes with a wireless Android Auto dongle that I added, but if you have CarPlay like 99% of the world, you can also get one of these, or you can just plug in a USB-C there. The mileage is 58,900 right now. I've had this car since about Labor Day 2023, and it's been amazing. But I get to a point where I've done everything that I want to do to the car, and I think my ADHD just requires something new. So yeah, someone's going to get a really well sorted car that I've already done all the work to. Let's walk around real quick and then I'll show you the rest of the inside and stuff. As you can see, it's finished in Great Falls green. I literally traveled out of state from the Bay Area to Portland for this car. Basically bought it sight unseen and drove it back home the same day, and I don't regret it. I love this car. I just want to try something new. I don't keep cars for more than like 3 years. So this has the performance package. This has the larger brakes and the XDF limited slip differential. 2018 GTIs didn't normally come with red badging, but I don't like the look of the all chrome, so I added vinyls, and they have been on there for 2 years and they look fine. But you can replace them or take them off, it's totally up to you. These wheels are from Neuspeed. They are RSE. Oh gosh, I'm terrible with the numbers. RSE 10s. One of the wheels has a curb. I'm going to show you here. That's the worst part about the whole car right there. But it's not bad. I was going to get it fixed instantly when I got it done, but this is keeping it in case I ever did it again. These are 18x8s with a 45 offset, and I've got Michelin Pilot Sports. I believe they are 235 40 CR18s. The exhaust in the back is from AWE. It's called the track exhaust. It is not super loud, but it sounds good, I think. Let me see if I can park it here and do a quick audio test. Hold on one second. Stay there. I have no idea how good that's lined up, but we're gonna go with it. Okay, so that's what I've got going on the outside. Literally just coming inside because I don't like other people, and I'm basically hiding right now. So the back seats, I don't think anyone's ever really been back here from the previous owner. I got the car with about 41,000 miles 3 years ago, and yeah, it's just been kind of like that. Oh yeah, so here's one of the things I added. It's a little lip spoiler. It's not much, but I think it makes a really nice addition to the back of the car, as well as the exhaust. And then I added these blackout. It's almost like eyeliner or mascara for the lights. I also did it on the front. Tell your dog I said hi, and respect the drive. Here's the gas tank, which has had 91 in it pretty much as long as I've owned it, because it has a tune from IE. integrated engineering. I also have replaced the stock green mirrors with some black painted ones. I just like that contrast, and that's also why I did the headlights as well with a little bit of black hair. And the license plate is on here because Volkswagen drilled holes, and I just don't like US plates. But it does have the holes for the regular plates, and I believe I have the mount as well. But I'll leave the plate on until someone tells me to take it off. Let's see, what else am I missing here? So the car has the exhaust, it has a stage 1 tune. The clutch is from South Bend. It is a stage 2 daily. So it has a kind of cool little chatter noise that some people might hate, but I think it's cool. I think it adds a lot of character to the car. It's not too heavy. But made it to the tune, and I also have a 034 Dogbone Mount. I have 034 dynamic springs that lowered the car a little bit, and I have a rear sway bar from them. And the suspension, the dampers are from Koni. They are yellows and they are adjustable. The fronts can be easily adjusted under the hood, but the rears you would have to take them out, and I basically have the whole car set to just off of full soft, and it's pretty tolerable. I mean, it's really tolerable because I had coilovers on it before and I hated them. So what else do I have done to the car? Of course, these guys. Oh, it's also a short shift kit. I've gotten the short Euro shifter that goes under the hood, which I don't know if I can show you, but I'll try to point it out. But it makes the shift linkage about 20% shorter. And there's reverse. It's got a reverse camera. I do love that it comes out of the VW emblem. And I do like that it stays on for a while after you put it out of reverse, so you can just sort of have it there for a minute. I did notice that my GLI, my 2019 GLI, as soon as you took it out of reverse, that went away. These cars have hill hold, which basically, as long as you're on a hill, and once you are like ready to go and you put your foot on the clutch, and then as soon as you start letting off the gas or off the clutch, it will engage, and it's flawless. It works so good, way better than it did on my GLI that had an electronic brake. I don't know what the difference is, but this one was way better. The air conditioning is really cold. I had that redone right after I got the car because it wasn't super cold. I do most of the service myself, except for a thermostat that got changed under the extended warranty, and I do all the oil changes, and so it's got a fresh coolant. It's always got fresh oil in it. If you are so inclined, you could do the transmissions. I think they were done at 40. I have not done them. I also don't beat on the car super hard, so I will let the next owner do that if they would like to. Let's take a look under the hood, and then I think we're about done. I know I said a quick video, but I'm not capable of that, I guess. Okay. So it also has an integrated engineering intake, and that bad boy is carb compliant. I just had the car smogged with no issues, and yeah, so that, if you look here, like underneath there, that would be like where you would adjust your suspension. But like I said, you'd have to take the rear shocks if you want to do that. The Mark 7 is the last Volkswagen GTI that has a hydraulic hood strut. The new ones all require a prop rod, and I do think that this engine set is cool. It's actually what's on the current Jetta GLI, and it's a great engine, tons of torque, gets good gas mileage, and it's surprisingly quick. Oop, my hands are dirty. Let's see what's going on here. Sorry. While we're here, let me see if I can show some defects. I mean, in terms of defects, I just mean like, you know, rock chips. It's nothing. Yeah, it's all just normal wear and tear. There's no damage to this car, as far as I can tell. I've always done a pretty good job of keeping everything up, so none of the trim is grayed out. It's all pretty black. Let's see. I'm sure I'm missing something. As soon as I stop the video, it'll show up probably. Let's look under the trunk real quick. These things are huge. It's literally the only car you need if you're a small family or a single person. This car has sub. No, it doesn't have a sub. Sorry, it has a spare tire, first aid kit, all the fun stuff. The wheels came with like RS lug covers or center caps, but the Volkswagen ones from the stock wheels fit right on there, so that's why those are like that. And yeah, I think that's it. I'll post the full modification list in the description, but it's also going to be on the auction on Cars and Bids when I list this very soon. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. And if there's any other videos you'd want before this thing is out of my hands, let me know in the comments. I have the ability to do some driving videos if people are interested. And besides like the required one, you can do that. I live near some pretty cool roads. So right on. I think that's all I got. Alright, man. Take care. And someone's gonna get a really nice car.